How to fix IPVanish Login / connection issue in macOS. If your IPVanish Mac app will not log in or seems to hang indefinitely on connecting, please use the v3 uninstaller to completely remove the IPVanish macOS application from your Mac and then re-download and install the latest macOS app. We have provided links to both the uninstaller and the latest software below for your convenience. V3 uninstaller, download at http www.ipvanish.com/software/osx/uninstaller.zip. macOS software requires macOS 10.10 plus download at https://www.ipvanish.com/software/osx/ipvanish.dmg. Follow the steps below. 1. Download v3 uninstaller. 2. Extract and run a v3 uninstaller. 3. Download and install the latest version of macOS application. 4. Launch and log into the software. If you continue to have problems, please send IPVanish support team an email via IPVanish contact us page.